You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words correctly in English. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, and yes, indeed, those two words are homophones, meaning they are to be pronounced exactly the same way. So let's break it down. Cymbals. The top word is the drum. This is an instrument in an orchestra. Cymbals, that's your instrument, and the bottom is symbols, like signs, right? Cymbals, they both pronounce the same way. Cymbals, stress on the first syllable. Your correct English pronunciation, British English and American English, are as cymbals. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.